My name is Nicholas Fletcher Holmes from Hobson & Holmes in the UK. I'm here with a gorgeous Alicia today, and we're going to bring out all the natural texture in her hair using Kerasilk's Curl Balm, multi-benefit oil and volumizing styling foam. I'm going to finish off using Curl Balm, which can be applied and left on at the backwash for 1 to 2 minutes. What that's going to do is promote hair's natural volume and texture. On hair texture like this, I love to cocktail the volumizing styling foam and the multi-benefit oil, scrunch them into the hair and allow the hair to air dry. Now that Alicia's hair is completely air dried, I'm going to use some multi-purpose hairspray and some hot tools just to add some final definition. To finish the look, I like to use texturizing finishing spray. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to check out more inspiring content on the Kerasilk official YouTube channel.